We are now a week away from Thanksgiving, and it's time to start planning your main dish. And today, Howard shows us how to make his special and super tasty butter-basted herb turkey in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
As we count down the days until Thanksgiving, today we're sharing a classic way to prepare your turkey that is buttery good. This is a recipe we shared with you a few years ago, and it was so popular we thought it was worth bringing back. So here we go. The first thing you want to do is make sure your turkey is totally thawed and that you removed the giblets and neck. We place it in a roasting pan, breast side up, and stuff the cavity with some cut up onions and celery. This is going to ensure that our turkey is flavorful on the inside as well. Next, we combine some chopped parsley, poultry seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, and some salt and pepper with lots of butter. Now, it's time to rub, or as some people say, massage the turkey with half of our seasoned butter. And yes, it's best to do this with your hands. After covering the pan with foil, into the oven it goes. In about an hour and a half, off comes the foil, and we baste it every 30 minutes with more butter. Once the turkey reaches 165 degrees and the skin is golden, it's done. After it rests for a bit, it's time to carve. My guess is that you'll be sneaking a piece or two before it ever makes it to the table. It's that good. To get the recipe for our butter-basted herb turkey, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, where today we found a gobbling good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Kelly's no turkey. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4-state market prices.